Can you pay with gift card on McDonald's? Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm gonna explain you if you can or cannot pay using your McDonald's gift card. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your McDonald's application from your device. As you launch your McDonald's app, also make sure that you are logged into your McDonald's account. So here's the thing about using gift card in your McDonald's app. You cannot actually pay for mobile orders with a gift card, and you cannot enter them when checking out via the app. To use a gift card at McDonald's, you will need to go inside the store, or you can also use them at the kiosk or the standard ordering terminals, or you can use them in the drive-thru. However, you can still use your ARC card at any 13,000 plus participating restaurants in the US. You should do that via the drive-thru because ARC card cannot be used as a payment method in the McDonald's app at the moment. And that quite wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload. In the meantime, do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can never miss an update from us.